How to play Snapchat games. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can play the Snapchat games. So guys, to play the games on the Snapchat you will have to follow some steps. So open the Snapchat app and tap on the chat icon at the bottom navigation bar and swipe right for the camera, and swipe right from the camera viewfinder to access your conversation. And after that you will have to tap right here on the search bar, and then from there you will have to search for the games. And now after that you can see there are the different games that you can play. So let me select one of the game from there. So from there you can see that this is the game, so you can play this game from there. You can see that this game is now over. So this is how you can easily search for the games, and you can play the games on your Snapchat, and from there you can also make the pic of the Snapchat. So this is how you can easily play the games on the Snapchat. Hope